Welcome to our exploration of innovative car parking design ideas. As urban spaces become increasingly crowded, effective parking solutions have become essential for enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of our cities. Modern design can transform parking areas from mere afterthoughts into vibrant, user-friendly spaces that seamlessly integrate with their surroundings. The design of a parking area plays a crucial role in maximizing space efficiency while ensuring user safety and convenience. Thoughtful design can alleviate congestion, reduce emissions, and improve the overall experience for drivers and pedestrians alike. By incorporating elements such as green spaces, clear signage, and user-friendly technology, parking facilities can be reimagined to meet the needs of today's urban dwellers. Innovative solutions. Today's parking designs are embracing sustainability and technology. Multi-level parking garages, for instance, can accommodate more vehicles while minimizing ground space. Smart parking solutions, including automated parking systems and mobile apps for space reservation, enhance user convenience and streamline the parking process. Additionally, integrating features like electric vehicle, EV, charging stations, and bicycle racks promotes eco-friendly transportation options. Thank you for watching our presentation on innovative car parking design ideas. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring for transforming parking spaces in your community. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription helps us continue to bring you more insightful ideas and designs that can enhance urban living and sustainability. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Spreading the word about effective parking solutions can help foster discussions and encourage innovative thinking in your circle. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more exciting topics with you in the future. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you once again for being part of this journey toward better urban design.